Hi guys, welcome back. So today I am going to see some of my friends and we're just gonna have lunch together, chit chat and catch up on life because we've not met so much last year. And I thought, let me just film a video and show you how to turn an extremely basic garment into a classy piece. Now, I have always believed that your wardrobe has to be transitional. Transitional meaning that you should be able to utilize pieces in your wardrobe for various events and occasions. Hi, my name is Jaini Gandhi. I'm an image consultant, a style curator, and a sustainable style advocate. I have been doing this for the last 10 years. As a certified image consultant, when I work with my clients, the most important thing that I want my clients to learn is to how can you utilize your outfits more and more, how to rewear them and how to restyle them. So today's video is going to be extremely useful for all of you because I have literally taken a basic plain gray t-shirt and my fitted denims and I'm going to show you how do you style this basic pair and make it classy. Not just this, I have considered two body shapes with this. So one I'm going to do with a shorter gray t-shirt that I'm wearing right now, and then I'll move on to a longer gray t-shirt and see how it works. I have recently done a video on how to style your white shirt in 21 different ways. I'm going to link it up here and I'm sure that will also give you ideas on how do you transform your outfit. Another fantastic video is how to utilize your loose denims. I'm going to link that one also here so you can see that if you have loose denims, how can you wear it in multiple different ways. So without much further ado, let's begin.
Now my t-shirt is extremely plain, hence I have decided to add dainty necklaces as a layer to this one. Now if you have seen my earlier video on how to look stylish in your 30s and 40s, I have mentioned that the quality of your jewelry has to be great. Don't look for investing in 10 pieces at a lower cost. Instead, look for quality pieces that you can wear. This dainty necklace is great quality and hence when I wear this necklace, it will elevate my look. I love how dainty and tiny this necklace is and it adds some fun to the otherwise plain t-shirt. I'm going to add a layer with another dainty necklace, and as I said, the quality of the necklaces is extremely important to give a very classy casual feel. Now because the t-shirt is extremely plain, I have added an evil eye and a talisman necklace with very tiny colors to it. The talisman has a red birthstone and the evil eye has a tiny cyan blue, adding golden hoops to it. If you have seen, I have made sure that all the jewelry in this is gold tone. Keeping the metals in similar color will make sure that everything looks like a rhythm and it forms part of your ultimate style. Let's move on to hands. I am adding layering with my watch and on the hand that is bare. Again, keeping the metal same, I'm adding two bangles on one hand and the tiny delicate bracelet on the hand that has the watch. A tiny ring to finish the look, again in gold metal. I am taking a belt bag because they are very trendy at the moment. I've kept the color extremely neutral since I wanted to keep this piece very classy, adding no prints. The belt bag is all set and let's go to wear shoes now. Since this is a classy casual outfit transformation and I'm going casually, I've decided to pair flat shoes. Kolhapuri chappals are a great way to create fusion with your denim t-shirt and these chappals. I have candy color chappals just to add some fun on my legs. Any color Kolhapuris would go because the whole outfit is extremely neutral. Ta-da! And here I am ready. As you can see between the two looks, it's the minute changes that transforms your outfit from a basic piece to a classy casual. Keep your metals in great quality and same color. This way there won't be clashing in the whole outfit. The whole outfit is such a basic gray and blue and you have added candy color shoes a tan or a brown bag, and kept the whole metal same with a bright lipstick. You will definitely rock this classy casual.
How was it? Did you have fun? It is absolutely so easy if you keep in mind a couple of aspects of jewelry and the bag and shoes, and then your outfits can be transformational from basic to classy. Also, whenever you are dressing up, look at your outfit in totality. Don't look at things in isolation, that this jeans is nice, this top is nice, this accessory is nice. Look at everything in totality. ये टी-शर्ट के साथ ये नेकलेस सूट होगा कि नहीं, whether to wear the shoes or not. Look at everything together, and that's the trick of how to transform your basic outfit into a classy outfit. Next, as I promised, this is for ladies who are not comfortable showing off their midriff or not comfortable with their heavy lower body. Then this is the long t-shirt outfit transformation for you. I've kept the color same from short and long t-shirt so that you understand the basics remain same. Let's begin in transforming this outfit with a longer t-shirt.
Now, it's a myth that if it's a longer t-shirt covering your lower body, then it's going to be hiding your lower body. Instead, it highlights the lower body because of the hem. Take the t-shirt just a little up and tuck it in the front. You don't have to tuck in the whole t-shirt. This way, if you have a midriff or a paunch or heavy lower body, you are just creating a cut and a tucked in effect, but you're not actually tucking in. This gives a faux waist curve. Sleeves also creates emphasis around the bust line, cutting your upper torso in half. Start by outturning the sleeves this way, creating a whole rugged feel, giving a yin and a yang, or a soft and a strong feel with your denim and t-shirt. The sleeves, or outturn the sleeves in a neat way to give neatness to the whole look. T-shirt has a mild text print to it. So I'm taking statement silver earrings to add to it. I can add colorful earrings or I can add dainty necklace as well, but because we did dainty necklace in the last style, I'm sharing a different style. Adding statement silver earrings to the whole feel now. It's the tiny detailing that turns an outfit from a basic to a classy. Adding a silver ring and a single silver bangle to the empty hand. Again, the rules like last time, keeping the metals similar. Taking my sling bag, and let's go wear our shoes. Now, if the weather is colder, you can also take your boots and jacket with this outfit. But because it's a casual hot day, I've taken open toe chappals, full flats, Kolhapuri chappals, sliders, anything that gives a very casual feel to it. And here I am, all ready to go out with my loose fit t-shirt and denims, giving an outfit transformation of basic to classy. That even if your t-shirt is longer, you have a midriff of heavier lower body, just do a half tuck at the front or at the side and create a faux waist curve. Keep the metals in same color for uniformity.
Hello! So in my quest to go out with my friends and meet them, have nice lunch, I realized I've not recorded my bye-byes. So here is me signing off with this video, and I hope you've enjoyed how to use your basic casual pieces and turn it into classy smart casual. Let me know if you want more such video ideas, because like I always say, your outfits, your clothes have to be transitional. You cannot block your wardrobe pieces into one segment and say, oh, these are just casuals. These are small hacks of adding pieces, of changing the quality of pieces, will make your outfits from casual to smart casual. If you've liked what you've seen so far, please give this video a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I make videos on real relatable wearable styles. You can also go and follow me on Instagram. I'm very active with regular everyday styling there. See you all next time. Bye-bye.